Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8th. Dear students, we study so many phenomena of the lesson water and air pollution. So at the end of lesson, there are some very important points which we must know, we must try to understand, and we must memorize things that we have learned in the lesson. So important points are here discussed at the page number 171 in the box. So one first point is air pollution is the contamination of air by impurities which may have harmful impact on living organisms and non-living organisms. So air pollution is the contamination of air, as we know, by impurities, and these impurities have harmful effects on both living and non-living organisms. Pollutants are the substances which contaminate air and water. So pollutants, as we know, they are substances which contaminate air and water. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, methane, carbon monoxide, and sulfur dioxide are major air pollutants. So these are various air pollutants. Carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, these are liberated from industries, from automobiles. They pollute the air. Increasing level of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide lead to global warming. We have studied it that when there is increase in the number of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, it may increase to the increase of average temperature of the atmosphere, which is called as global warming, which have a serious threat to the environment. Similarly, water pollution is the combination of water by substances harmful to life. Sewage, agriculture chemicals, and industry sewage are some of the major contaminants of water. So agriculture, chemical, sewage from the industries, industrial waste, sewage from homes also are the main source of contamination of water. Water which is purified and fit for drinking, potable water, the water that we eat, that we drink, which is fit for drinking, not having any germ in it, or which is chlorinated, having adding of chlorination is already done in water, that is called as potable water. Water is a precious natural resource. We must learn to consume it. Dear students, as you know that water is the basic necessity of life, we should save the water. We should not pollute the water bodies. We should take all conservative measures so as to prevent the contamination of water, because the water bodies are depleting day by day, as the water is the one of the most gift from nature. But industrialization, the modernization, and the urbanization has led to decline the pure quality of water. Water quality has totally degraded, and since most of the population living on the subcontinent Earth have a shortage of water, mostly the drinking water, it is because of all human activities. It is the human activity which leads to the pollution of these water bodies. So, dear students, we should take some crucial steps so as to curb the water pollution, to prevent the water from becoming more and more pollutant. Dear students, stay connected.